Good morning, students. In the previous class, you have only learned what is noun and what is pronoun. Okay, noun, pronoun. The idea is clear to you in the previous class. Okay. Now coming to number 3, that is verb. Anyone who can say what is verb?
Yes. Sir, verb is an action word.
Yes, verb is an action word. Verb is an action word. Example: going, eating, playing. So these are all verbs, and these verbs, they have 3 forms: V1, V2, V3. V1, V2, V3. So all these main verbs, they have 3 forms: verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. Verb 1, suppose we are writing here play, then second form, that the past is played. And the verb 3, that is also played. Correct? Now, play, played, played. These are the verb forms. Sometimes the ing form is also there. We can call it V4 or we can call it ing form. Playing, P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. So number 2, eat. As you have already said, eat, ate, eaten. Eat, ate, eaten, and here ing form is eating. Remember, ing form is always combined with V1 only. V1 eat, eating, V1 play, playing. So V1 plus ing, that is it, playing, coming, eating, going, etc. Now, these things you can make a list. I had only 1 or 2 examples. You can make it 20 or 25 or 30. How many verbs are there in your mind? You just make a list. So after making a list, you will see that some verbs are already in your mind: going, coming, playing, eating, jumping, dancing. So these verbs we call main verbs. And apart from the main verbs, we have another form, that is helping verbs. And helping verbs, I will tell you. These things are clear to you, all of you. Now I will tell you about helping verbs. Okay. Are divided into 2, that is main verb, which I told you now. अभी भी मैं बोला main verb का बारे में. Now helping verbs. What is helping verb? These helping verbs, they are combined with the main verbs to make the verb pattern. Okay, verb pattern. Now helping verbs, they are 24 in number. Out of 24, 13 and 11. What is 13 and what is 11? 13 means
Modals.
Modals. We call it modal auxiliaries. Okay. These modal auxiliaries, I will tell you: can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, used to, ought to, need, dare. These are the 13 modal auxiliaries. And these 11 primary auxiliaries. Yes, very good. You are correct. Primary auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries. Okay. So this 13 plus 11, कुल मिलाकर we have 24 helping verbs. So helping verb means the verbs like can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, etc. They are used with the main verbs to make the verb pattern. These are the 13 modal auxiliaries and 11 primary auxiliaries: is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did. So these 11 and these 13 कुल मिलाकर total we have 24 helping verbs. So these 24 helping verbs, you remember all of you. Now main verbs, you will make a list. I have written example of 1 or 2, eating, going, coming, etc. You make it 20 or 30. So main verbs and helping verbs, the idea is clear. Now I'll come to a very important thing, that is transitive verb and intransitive verb. In Indian word we say sakarmaka kriya and akarmaka kriya. Okay. Now what is transitive verb and what is intransitive verb? I will tell you today. Transitive verb and intransitive verb, in Indian language you call it sakarmaka kriya and this is called akarmaka kriya, intransitive verbs. So these concepts should be very clear to you. What is transitive verb? Transitive verb means the verbs used in a sentence where there is object. If object is there in the sentence, in that sentence the verb is transitive verb. Example, Ram ate rice. You know very well Ram is subject and ate is verb. If subject verb is there, then this is object. We call it object. This object rice, passive voice is possible. If passive voice is possible, you see Ram ate rice. Rice was eaten by Ram. So passive voice is possible. So when passive voice is possible, this object is present there. This verb is called verb transitive. Okay. So transitive verb, I will make a list of transitive verb. Then I will tell you about intransitive verbs. So now we will take a 1 minute or 2 minute break. Okay. Thank you.